It's really strange. I was only 18 when I got married. So I was waiting for my cousins and my aunts to come and help me get ready. Shobai nije basto hoye gelo and amake bhule geche. So eventually when amake nite asche niche ami to emni pajama pore I was sitting over there. Shobai ekdom in a panic ki to bride to ready hoy na. So anyway, so everybody got together, all my aunts and my sisters, and got me ready. So whenever I think of my wedding, I always think of that. It could have been a disaster, but it ended up quite well. I think a little, hot oil treatments and little conditioning treatment, because hair goes through a lot, once, especially during the 3 or 4 days, sometimes 5, 6 functions people have. So a little bit of care before and after. And I think after is even more important because the hair has really gone through a lot of, it's suffered a lot. For weddings, actually, I do prefer traditional wear, but I'm open to, it's interesting as a makeup artist to use other colors, but personally, I'd prefer red, yeah. I especially like the color revitalize because we use a lot of color professionally and for myself because I do color my hair, not, to cover the grey and things. So it makes the color last longer. Also, it has some moisturizing properties which I like. I think it has argan oil in it, so that helps a lot. So personally, I'm very fond of the products. I use it myself and at the salon.